Hi there, students. An idiolect. An idiolect. Okay, an idiolect is the language or the way a particular person speaks. So the idiolect is related to their pronunciation, it's related to their choice of words. The idiolect is related to the structures they tend to use, the way they tend to put things together. And the idiolect of each person is said to be individual. We all speak different idiolects, and if you actually look at the concept of language, well, a language is made up of the idiolects of all of the people who speak that language. And the idiolect of a person can depend on various things. It can depend on how much money they have. It can depend on their geographical location within the country. And the idiolect is the specific language that an individual person speaks. Well, it could also be the way that they write. So I think authors have a particular style. Each author has an idiolect. And I think often if you saw a piece of writing from the idiolect, you could guess who that was written by, and I think that's quite interesting, that the idea that you can identify somebody's idiolect. Okay, so if something was written by your sister, you might well recognize the idiolect, the way of speaking, the way of writing. I think also perhaps not only the pronunciation, but the cadence of their voice, the way it goes up and down, the way people stress the different words and stress part of the sentence is also part of the idiolect. So idiolect are speech habits that are peculiar, are specific to an individual. Notice, as we go down our life, as we get older, our idiolect changes. Think about your idiolect when you first learn to speak. Yeah? Well, first of all, your idiolect will go, and then your idiolect starts to develop. And as you go through your life, your idiolect changes, it varies. And I'm certain over my lifetime, my idiolect has improved. I think also, though, my idiolect has an amount of Spanish embedded within it. Okay, so the idiolect, it's the specific way somebody speaks. It's sort of like a fingerprint. So an idiolect is a person's speech habits. I think maybe the idiolect of parents, some parts of that are passed down to children. And idiolects are affected by all the different aspects of a person's life, their education, their social background, their friends, their hobbies, their work. Because notice, in each of these different places that you go to, you speak a different sociolect. The sociolect is the language associated with a group of people. But we all speak various different sociolects, and all of those influence our idiolect. But our idiolect is like our fingerprint. It's like it's what identifies the way we speak personally. So it's the language pattern, the speech or writing pattern of one particular individual at one point in their life. And I wonder if these artificial intelligence is going to be able to mimic people's idiolect. I wonder, that could be an interesting factor. Okay, so the individual form of language used by an individual. And yes, the language you speak will vary with the group that you are talking to. But there are still certain things that are very specific to you. Okay, one of the words I've noticed in my Idiolect when I make videos is this word "so." I use it to give myself time to think. So, what do I do next? Okay, so anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the no, wait a second. Formality, Idiolect. 6.5, maybe 7 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And then as to origin, this was coined in the 1970s as well. From idios, own, idiosyncrasy, personal, distinct, and lect, the language that you speak. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Idiolect.